How to make logo animation in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up CapCut on a device. Then tap on new project. Now first of all, select your background video or photo. Then select the photo or video and simply tap on add. Now simply tap on overlay. Then tap on add. Now select the logo and tap on add. Now adjust the size and position. Now at the bottom menu simply tap on animations. Now scroll down. Now here you can find different animation. Now choose any one of them and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.